Welcome to Cottage Decor Haven, where cozy charm meets timeless elegance inspired by the beauty of cottage living. I'm Kate, and I'm so excited to have you here. Today, we will be looking at mint green elegance for a timeless French cottage retreat. All images and videos have been specially curated for you to inspire creativity, spark new ideas, and help transform your space into the cozy, charming cottage you've always dreamed of. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Why is mint green so favored? Mint green holds a unique place in the world of interior and exterior design, particularly when it comes to French country cottages. Its soft, pastel tone evokes a sense of calmness, warmth, and tranquility, reminiscent of the countryside's serene landscapes. This versatile shade effortlessly bridges the gap between nature and elegance, making it a favorite for creating inviting, tranquil spaces. Mint green has an organic quality that mirrors the lush greenery outside, blending seamlessly into garden-inspired aesthetics. Indoors, it reflects natural light beautifully, adding an airy and rejuvenating feel to any room. Historically, it's a color associated with vintage charm, often found in classic French homes on shutters, walls, and decorative elements. Its understated elegance brings a touch of whimsy while remaining timeless and versatile. Psychologically, mint green is also known for its soothing properties. It can lower stress levels, uplift the spirit, and create a peaceful atmosphere, which is perfect for transforming a house into a welcoming haven. Whether used on walls, accents, or even outdoor features, mint green strikes the perfect balance between refinement and simplicity. Thank you so much for spending time with me here at Cottage Decor Haven. I hope today's journey into the timeless charm of mint green and French country cottages have inspired you to create your own cozy retreat. If you enjoyed today's video, I would love to hear your thoughts. Please share your favorite decor idea or let me know what you would like to see next in the comments below. New videos are added daily, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more decor ideas and inspiration. Until next time, stay inspired and creative. See you soon.